And in no time at all, you've successfully installed your 2-inch faux wood Levelor blinds. But wait, there's more. We take it all the way down here to see how much we need to trim off. And I think I'm gonna leave, so I'm gonna trim off these bottom 3. I'm gonna trim just below this one loop. You wanna mark the new bottom slat on both ends. And you don't wanna take that out. Then you're gonna slide out the extra slats. You don't handle these, follow the instructions. In case you have a damaged slat, you can't, or your child. Next, we're gonna cut the cross support straps for all the ones we're not using, and the connector loops. It's real important we don't cut the length tension. And do that for all 3. Probably ought to have sharp scissors. And cut the connector loops. Now, without cutting the lift cords, which are these guys that have tension on them, cut about 3 inches down on the blind cords. The center doesn't have a lift cord. Next, you want to lift the base up, lift your bottom slat, remove this end, slide this spine out, then we're going to carefully push out these buttons from inside like so. Like so, before putting the cap back. Thread that through there, and now that you have the ends in there, reattach that cap. So let's say you're done with your installation and removing your slats, but you find that they're uneven. You still have a chance to adjust the level of this. You just pop out this end cap, remove this spine that you see in there. I'm gonna do it right past the camera. That's a good shot right there. And then pop out these buttons and adjust the length of these side guys. Pop that out and pull out the slack. Push it back in. Like so. See how that's touching now? I'm going to do the same with the others. Okay, so I need to remove the slack on the back side. Take this out a bit. Something like that. And push it back in. Once we have a nice straight line then, we go back over here, slide that spine in there, all the way across, and we snap our end cap back in place. Just like so. They have these clips that go in that hole. I found they're pretty much useless. I just let ours hang. I hope this is helpful. For more household tips like this one, click the image on your screen now and be sure to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. It's the only way that I have to know that these are helpful videos. I'll see you in the next video.